Hello, let me show you in this video how to install and use our new free tool StampaPic. This is a new extension for Photoshop CS6. To download it, please visit our website www.albumds.com and select Other Tools StampaPic for free. At bottom you will see the link to download the file at this logo. Click at the logo. If you are using a Safari, please press Alt while clicking and the file will be downloaded to your downloads folder. Here we have it. Once downloaded, please double click the file and Adobe Extension Manager will open. You may also open first Adobe Extension Manager and then select Install the extension. It's the same. Now accept and the installation will continue until the end. Here the extension is installed. Now you may close Adobe Extension Manager and start Adobe Photoshop CS6. Once Photoshop is running, select Window, Extensions, StampaPic and the extension will open. This extension is very easy to use. You only have to select the source pictures folder. I've made really some pictures in my temp folder to show you. See, temp, StampaPic sample. This folder, I'll show you the pictures, has 5 pictures I want to stamp. These ones here. Okay. Next step is to select the target folder, that folder where you want to save the end images. I will save them to the same folder but in a subfolder called Out. Temp, StampaPic sample, Out. Okay. The next step is to set the largest size of the stamped pictures, the end pictures. Usually you only need to set one of the sizes because StampaPic will calculate automatically the other one. If you set a width of 1000 pixels, it will be calculated and in a normal picture it will be 660 pictures for a vertical one. Now you can select between 3 options. To include a text in your pictures, like this one, you may include any text you want. You only have to write it here. To include a watermark or an image. For a watermark or an image, you have to select a file. Press the Select File button and now select a PNG file to be used for this watermark. I have a logo here. Let me show you how it is. This is the logo with a transparent background I will use to stamp my pictures. Okay, I set the opacity a bit lower, maybe 60%, and now you have to select the position at which you want to show the stamp. Depending also of the width of the stamp, the position may be more in the center or less. For example, if you select 700 pixels width and the image width is 1000, the stamp will be very large. And then if you select top left, it will take some part of the center and bottom. But let it do now for in the center and with only 500. You may also type it here, 500. It's the same. Okay. Now you have selected to watermark the images with your PNG file with a 60% opacity in the center and with a width of 500 pixels. You only have to click at the Start button and StampaPic will open all the images in the source folder, stamp it with the PNG file as a watermark and save them into the target folder. This process is usually very fast because the end images are only reduced images. Let me show you the end images. I select the Out folder here, and these are the stamped images as a result of the process. Just enjoy!